Hello students, welcome back to MP Ladder. Before we learn today's topic, let us quickly check yesterday's practice question. Take your notebook and match your answers with me. First question. Which is bigger, 0.8 or 0.08? So let us start to compare the places. In 0.8, 8 is in 10th place. In 0.08, 0 is in 10th place. So 8 versus 0. So which is the bigger number? 8 or 0? 8 is bigger than 0. So 0.8 is bigger than 0.08. So let's go to second question. Compare 0.62 and 0.602. So we'll just compare the places again. In 10th place we have 6. In the second number also we have 6. So both are same numbers. 6 is in the same number. So next we'll move to the next place value. 2 is in 100th place. 0 is in 100th place. So 2 versus 0. So we are going to compare 2 versus 0. So 2 is greater than 0. So which number will be greater here? 0.62 is greater than 0.602. Remember here, adding 0 at the end of any number does not change the value. It will be 0.620, which is greater than 0.602. This number does not change its value. Now let us go to third question. Arrange in ascending order. 0.9, 0.09 and 0.99. So can we write it properly in the order? 0.9, 0.09, 0.99. Now we start to compare the places. In 10th place, we have the same numbers here, but 0 is in the 10th place, the lesser value is 0. So both have the same. Can we go this one as a ascending means what? Smaller to bigger, A, smaller. So ascending number, this first number will be 0.09 will be first number. Now we'll go with the two numbers. 0.9 and 0.99. In 10th place we have the same numbers. So let me move to 100th place. Here can we add it as 0 here? As there is no number, we can add it as 0. In 100th place we have 0 here, we have 9 here. So which is the smaller number? 0 is the smaller number. So can we go with this number as the second number? This number as the third number. So ascending means smallest to biggest. Can we write the answer as 0.09, 0.90, 0.99. This is the ascending to descending, means smallest to biggest number. Yes? Excellent. If you get all this correct, decimals are becoming easier for you. Now, let's go to today's topic. Just imagine you go to a shop, you buy a chocolate for rupees 10.50. Where we are going to do today? Addition of decimals. Today we are going to teach addition of decimals. When you go to shop, you are going to buy a chocolate for rupees 10.50 and a juice for 20.25. The cost of the juice is 20 rupees 25 paise. The cost of chocolate is 10 rupees 50 paise. So how much money did you spend altogether? Can we simply add them? Yes. Today we are going to learn addition of decimals. For example, what they are saying, 10.50 for chocolate. So 20.25 is for juice. So can we add this? Yes. But there is one important rule for this. always place a decimal point exactly below the decimal point. Always place the decimal point exactly below the decimal point. So we have to write neatly for this 10.50 plus 20.25. Now we'll go on explain how to add this one. 0 plus 5 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. Again keep the same decimal point here because no carry forward, we just added this 2. 0 plus 0 is 0. 2 plus 1 is 3. So the answer is, what is the answer? Rupees 30.75. See, just like normal addition, but decimal point be aligned. We have to align the decimal point, but we have done the normal addition here. We'll go with the example 2 here. For example, 0.5 plus 0.3. The 5 is in 10th place plus 3 is in 10th place. So 5 plus 3. What is 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. Correct. Very good. So 8 tenth. Can we write it as 8 tenth means 8 will come in the 10th place. 0.8 is the answer for this. We'll go for the, so 0.8 will be the answer. Very easy, right? Now we'll go for example 3. The different digits. We have the different digits. Can we add 0 here where it will not change the place number? So 0.25 plus 0.5. So write it properly where we have to align the decimal point correctly. Below the point we have to get it. So let's start to add the different digits now. 5 plus 0, 5. 2 plus 5, 7. So align the decimal point. So align the decimal point. Same point. 0 plus 0 is 0. So the answer will be 0.75. What the students will do common mistake always. 0.25. Where they write the decimal point not below. They write somewhere 0, 5 below 5. This is wrong. So don't panic. Sometimes decimals have different number of digits. So but we have to keep the point below that only. Then only if you want you can add the 0 there. For example 0.25. So you can add 0 for that 50.0. Add the 0 but not in this way. This is incorrect. This is correct. Adding 0 will help us to align the decimals. Adding will help us to align the decimal. Now we'll learn the common mistake section. Never add without arranging the decimal point properly. So now it's your turn. Pause the video and try these questions. The practice questions for today. First one, 0.4 plus 0.3. Second one, 0.25 plus 0.15. Third one, rupees 15.50 plus rupees 20.25. Fourth one, 0.75 plus 0.05. We will discuss the answers in the next class. In the next video, we will learn subtraction of decimals step by step. See you in the next video on MP Ladder. Thank you.